it was like nothing you can nearly explain. I mean, it's just visually a scene of chaos, and the faces of people very traumatised, in shock, in panic. You come back now and you look at the people and you see there is real progress.
Kana rin kuan sin ug katong kuan kwarta nga sa smell.
Gipamalit namo og gamit sa kanang marin, nya lansang, pagpagaba sa kahoy, nya gipalit pud og punuan sa kahoy.
Their houses are bigger, better, and nearly always they're going to be a stronger structure. So that means that people are going to be safer in the future. You don't know the effect a disaster will always have. It's about being able to support the volunteers to really enable them to have community drills, have hazard maps, have equipment and systems in place so that those communities are capable of responding.
Possibilities are endless. Yeah. We can help them as long as there's cooperation.
It makes my job a real pleasure to come to work every day and have people excited to be there, excited to make real change in their communities and in their countries.
All of us here, especially those who are benefited with this help, and we're very grateful. It was really big help.